The items you have in this folder include the reading from your book, which takes you directly to the table of contents into Module 1, training videos that are very short and give you the opportunity to practice a topic in a simulation environment before you actually start working on an actual project in Excel, and then 2 projects that you will turn in for grade. So the first resource you have is the reading. And you can look through this. I just want to give you an idea of what you have. Here's your table of contents. So the reading is optional, but it is helpful to see how to perform a certain task. So selecting a cell, for example, entering text, autocorrect, entering numbers, etc., etc. You can read through here. You can pick and choose what you want to look at. It is just a helpful resource. Saving a workbook, for example, and then it shows you exactly how to do that. Right, so it gives you information, screenshots, etc. So that's the first resource you have available to you. The next are the training videos. So again, these are not for grade. In this case, there are a total of 26. So take a look at how these are set up for you. So click on the menu here. You can see you have a total of 26, and you'll get sort of a table of contents of the menu. So here, select a cell, align contents horizontally, create a formula using the sum function. So these are similar to what you saw in the reading. I'll show you what I mean. But you have the opportunity to observe, practice, or apply. You can speed up the runtime on this also. So click play.
Use the sum function to quickly add values in columns or rows without having to enter each cell address.
Okay, so you can see that she's going to go through and explain a certain function for you. If you want to practice,
use the sum
she'll
function
say the same thing again and then have you perform the task.
Without having to enter each cell address.
Right, so here you can go ahead.
Select cell B16.
Click on it.
In the editing group, click the Auto Sum button.
So here, go to editing and go to Auto Sum.
Excel
right, so
inserts the sum formula into.
So you can go ahead and do some practice before you actually work on your projects. So when you get to the project, and again, you can go through those as many times as you need to. When you get to the project, these are for grades. And in the next video, I'll show you how to begin on these projects.